Our first snowstorm of the year. It's February 13th, 2025. And the snowstorm is not done yet. It just started. So the first thing I need to do is get this cleared out so my wife could go to work. Then I'll clear this side so I could get out of here. I took the day off. I need to drive my daughter to the dentist today. Then I need to clean the stairs because my tenants need to get out. And I'll continue this all day because it's going to be snowing and dumping a total of 40 centimeters. But so far this year we haven't had much snow. A lot of wind though. So I'm going to start this old thing up and get that cleared. I'll be doing this all day. This thing is not bad. I got it for free. Made in Canada. When stuff used to be made in Canada. Was that 30 years ago, 40 years ago? It was made in Brampton, Ontario. Oh, here we are, Sears, Canada. I got this thing for free. Somebody was throwing it out. It was all screwed up. Wheels were no good. Everything was bad on this. I rebuilt it completely. Alright, time for the stairs. So that should be good for now. because it's still coming down pretty hard. So I'm gonna have to do this again for sure, again, at least one more time. They built this, they transferred all the buses from the adjacent street onto my street, so they had to get rid of the parking. They say temporarily, but I hate this because I got nowhere to put the snow, and then the snowplow is gonna come and box me in again. I've been hearing about this new metro in Montreal since I was a kid, and I'm 47 years old now, so I've been hearing about this for 30 years. It's gonna be over budget and late for sure. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Let's get the wife to work. Well, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm back from my daughter's dentist appointment, and look at what we found. So, this morning we dug ourselves out. Now I gotta dig myself in. Gotta love Montreal winter. Okay, so this is why I would never buy a new car. This is a 2003. Cars get wrecked in the winter here. So I lost my grill at the beginning of winter, and now this thing busted off. So I'm gonna have to rectify this, but that's what happens. And it's part of the game here. So let's finish cleaning this up. That's it for today. That's enough for today. I'll take care of the rest tomorrow. So I still got a little bit on the stairs, but my neighbor just told me on Sunday, which is today is Thursday, it's gonna snow again like this. I also have to take care of the snow on top of the car shelter if it's gonna storm again on Sunday. But today I'm done, and I have a funny feeling that the wife is gonna need me to rescue her, because she's probably plowed in, so my day might not be done, and it's already dark. Is this her car? Oh, that's about what I expected. I think this is her car. Nope. Where's her car? Oh, that's actually better than I expected. Okay, so this will take no time at all to get out. Okay, give me about 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay, love.
Time to go home and relax. Alright, so home sweet home. Now you want to talk about damages to a car in winter? Well, actually, my wife is a new driver, so I bought her this. We bought this thing, a Toyota Matrix. I think it's a 2012. Last winter somebody T-boned her. I should make a video just on this car. This is Andrew Camerata's white pickup truck, but the female version. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go lay down on the couch.